Hello, I'm Wayne Doyle and I'll be your instructor this semester. I highly suggest that you take a few moments before coming to class and familiarize yourself with the assignment summary for the course to ensure that you have a fair understanding of the assignments that are due, along with the due dates and the points assigned for that assignment. We will talk about these. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I do have a very open door policy, so if you need something, please come see me sooner rather than later. But understand that during the fall, I am out doing site visits, checking on level 1 and level 2 students, and that I may or may not be here. So always email me beforehand just to ensure that I'm going to be on campus. If I'm not, well, I'm sure we can always set something up so that we can meet online and just discuss whatever your needs are. Again, please familiarize yourself with Canvas, take a look at the assignment summary, and if you have questions, please ask.